Hi everyone, Adrian from Handy Homesteaders here, working on the Sears Hydro-Trac 12 garden tractor. Like I said in the last video, this is not the original motor for this tractor. This is a Briggs & Stratton 11 horsepower motor. These came with Tecumseh 12 horsepower engines. That's the 12 in the Hydro-Trac 12. Somebody had already started swapping this motor over, and it was about 85% done. So I decided I'm going to continue with this and see if I can get it running on this motor. That'll allow me to check the hydrostatic transmission to make sure that's all working good. And if that's all good, then what I'll do is I have the original 12 horsepower motor. I'll rebuild that, get that in here, and get it all back together. So what I did is I temporarily rigged up a battery and a fuel tank, and that'll give us the power and the fuel that we need to hopefully start this thing up and get it going. I've taken off the carburetor, cleaned it, had a bunch of junk inside of it, which is pretty typical for carburetors sitting with fuel in them for a long period of time. I did find that the main adjustment screw was seized, so I got a replacement for those, put that in, and so now let's go ahead and start it and see what happens. So that's running pretty good. Now let's try to go drive it. that did pretty good. It went forward and reversed just fine. I didn't hear any weird noises or any major leaks or anything like that. So now what I'm going to do is get the original motor rebuilt and back in here. So stick around and see what we do next.